it is the first time inaugurated as a pain-free academic, and with this academic, many of the students, like both PG students, after PG they get be benefited, because most of the students go out of the Odisha for this learn the pain procedures. But this is a very good opportunity for the PG students and all other also faculties who are interested for this pain to career in the pain, so that se mane tankar pain ye को career को बढ़ाई परिबा आगो को with, and in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar city, it's the first time गोटे पेन एकेडमिक पेन फ्री ओडिशा एंड पेन एकेडमिक होची एटा बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल. मु तो रिक्वेस्ट करबी ऑल पीजी स्टूडेंट्स एंड पोस्ट पीजी अदर फैकल्टीज आल्सो get benefited and join to this pain free academic that in done by the Sovan. It is a very good academic institute, also can learn many things in near in our town.